Hello, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a year since last time nakapag-upload ng video. And this video, i-share ko kung bakit ah, hindi tayo nagtitrade and nag-accumulate lang tayo during bear market. So this is my CoinGecko and I'm going to show you my portfolio as well for the next bull run. So CoinGecko guys is a coin tracker. So baka sabihin ng iba, CoinGecko lang naman yan. Hindi yan totoo. Kasi you can input anything in here and then yung parang fake siya. But in a sense na hindi talaga siya wallet, tracker lang siya. But don't worry, I'll going to show you the actual wallet later. So currently, our balance is 48,000 US dollars. We're up 55%. So yung profit natin in this portfolio is around 1 million. And if you're following me sa page ko, I explained there bakit hindi ako nagtitrade for a year na. Kasi there's no point trading. Pag down yung market, almost 90% most coins, it's better off na mag-DCA ka na lang kaysa mag-trade ka. Maraming trader, nag-day trade pa rin sila. Ang problema is, kung babalansehin mo, napakalaking opportunity na down yung market, almost 90%. And most coins down sila ng ganyan. And in the next bull run, alam mo na some of this coin can perform like 20x, 50x, some of the other coins can perform even 100x. So there's no point trading, in my own opinion. So to prove to you na I'm executing what I'm saying and what I'm preaching right now, let's go to my page. Don't worry, I'll show you my actual wallet for all of that coins later. Just to, prove na it's not fake. So in my page, I published this like a year ago, December 5, 2022. So in this post, I said I choose not to trade on a bear market kaya wala akong signals in the past few months. DCA near the bottom is better than trading in the current market. So not financial advice. Bitcoin might go for as low as 10 to 12K before the next bull run. SEC already identified BTC as commodity, so I think it's safe for regulation under SEC. So, and in ETH naman, 800 or 600 if SEC will make it a security, and that will make the rest of the altcoins under SEC regulation, which is bad short to mid term. So, last year, it's a huge problem kasi hindi pa natin alam if mananalo ba yung Ripple sa case niya against Security Exchange and Commission sa USA. So, it's not good to trade kasi mostly na movement ng coins is it's either based on news regarding cryptocurrency regulations, and then pwede rin na about inflation rate or CPI index sa USA, and pwede rin na interest rate ng Fed, and there's a lot of factors, global factors. But if you're going to focus on the USA market, it's good kasi alam naman natin na USA or US dollar dominance is napakalaki. So just to show you, this is the World Foreign Exchange Reserves. So that's the USD dominance, 59.8%. And this data, I think it's a year ago. So what it means is that ikukumpara natin yung US dollars to Bitcoin. Kasi yung USD, siya yung parang father of all the currencies outside cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin dominance is 58%. Siya yung pinakamalaki in all the fiat. So kung titingnan mo ng ganun, para siyang ultimate shitcoin na rin kasi print lang sila ng print. But on the other side, there's a blockchain technology wherein andun yung Bitcoin. Bitcoin's supply is only 21 million. Kaya tumataas yung price ng Bitcoin over time kasi limited yung supply niya. So Bitcoin naman, doon sa blockchain technology, siya yung parang father of all the cryptocurrencies. So parang outside the digital world, meron tayong USD, 59.8% yung dominance, din sa blockchain naman, nagpe-play din doon yung dominance ng Bitcoin, around 50 to 60. I'm not sure what's the dominance right now, but it's almost the same. So, yun. That's the first post. So, next halving is 2024, March or April. Plenty of time to accumulate altcoins with strong fundamentals. I personally accumulating these two coins. So, I'm accumulating ADA and ILV or yung coin ng Illuvium. So, this time guys, this December 5, remember, 2022, ng price ng ILV na yan is nag-range siya from $38 to $45. And the current price right now is 81. So, just this morning, 4 hours ago, nag-reach siya ng 90, around 90. And we're not trading. Since we're not trading, we're not selling it. We're just going to wait for the next bull run to accumulate gains. We're staking our ILV. So, I'll show you later. So, meron din tayo mga top NFTs natin, Guild of Guardians, Illuvium, and so on. So, yun. So, wala pa tayong Bitcoin this time. And I was wrong in my prediction for the bottom of Bitcoin around 10 to 12K. So, I was waiting for that prices, but same with Ethereum, hindi natin na-reach yung target na yan. But it's okay because I was accumulating ILV and ADA naman. So, na-hit natin, nakuha natin yung bottom ng ILV personally. So, I'll show you later. But Bitcoin, hindi. Pero bumili tayong Bitcoin like 2 weeks ago. So, it's okay. So, next is, I posted this April 24 this year. So, not a financial advice. Got no trades for a while. I just DCA in the previous months and will continue to do so. So, I still continuing DCing. Other people, most of my friends, I knew they're trading, but I have the patience because I know that the next bull run is just within a year or so. So, in the current market, most hodlers will outperform traders in 2 years time frame. So, alam ko yan. Kasi last bull run, nag-umpisa akong mag-accumulate ng coins is mataas na. For example, yung ADA, I started accumulating at 33 cents. But then ADA was down up to 3 cents that time. So, it already 10x already. Saka, before ako na-accumulate. That's because I don't have the liquidity that time. So, I use my money to other purposes. Then, that time, meron ako ng pera. Nag-start ako na-accumulate. So, hinudol ko yung ADA until the peak ng bull run whilst I'm trading as well. So, just to, I realized that time na kung naghudol lang pala ako at the bottom, kung nakita ko yung, na-hit ko yung bottom ng ADA, nag 100x pala ako at peak ng bull run. So, I was hoping that time na sana magkaroon ulit ng crash para maka-accumulate ako in the bottom. So, sinuwerte tayo kasi nagkaroon nga ng bear market again. So, most ng coins nagka 90% down. So, that's when I did all my research and things like that. So, no trading at all that time. Just continue accumulating and I choose ADA and ILV to accumulate. Na-hit natin yung bottom. So, swerte tayo. So, these are the major factors that driving the market in the previous months. So kasi importante kasi yung timing. When to trade, when not, when to accumulate, things like that. So, hindi pwedeng trade ka na lang trade daily. So, mababurn ka niyan. So kailangan mo rin na pag-aralan yung global market. And if you want to study global market, we're going back to the US economy again because they're the leading economy worldwide. So, people might say, there's China, there's Russia, there's like BRICS, yung tinatawag natin na BRICS coin na dine-develop ngayon or ginagamit na ngayon within these countries like Russia, India, China, South Africa, yung mga ganun na mga coins. But then, still, US economy is still number 1 in so far. Kahit napakarami nilang utang, kinokontrol pa rin nila almost the global liquidity. What's backing US economy? Is it the economy? Is it the stocks? I think no, it's more of like nuclear weapons. So it's another topic, but then we'll focus on the macro this time. So these are the major factors driving the market in the previous month. CPI data. So I already explained to you CPI data or inflation rate, Fed interest rate, unemployment rates, USA debt selling, crypto regulation. So you have a year to accumulate before the next halving. In crypto, halving means bull run. So I posted this, remember, April this year. So it's like there's a year of accumulating coins. Do your own research, look for projects with good fundamentals and enough runway before the next halving. So runway, napaka-importante niyan. That time, I researched Illuvium and I realized na meron pa silang about 17 months to 24 months runway that time. And then another thing is that I think 3 months ago, na-extend nila yung runway. So yung runway ng Illuvium is kaya niyang higitan before yung next bull run. So meaning, meron silang pera. Runway kasi is about like, you have enough money to develop the game or to develop a certain blockchain before the next bull run. Yun yung kailangan mo in a certain blockchain company. Kasi pag naubusan ka ng pera before the next bull run, magkakaproblema ka. So Illuvium that time, right now, meron pa silang 16 months na runway. So it's already, what, November right now, and then halving is April. So 5 to 6 months magkaka-bull run na. Meron pa silang 16 months na runway, meaning to say, meron silang pera to develop the game kahit hindi ma-hit yung target or kahit hindi magka-bull run next halving. So napaka-safe niyan. Para yung company eh. If you're not earning money or revenue in a company, tapos nag-ooperate ka na, meron tayong tinatawag na burn rate every month. For example, yung burn rate mo every month is 100,000 pesos. Tapos, yung ano mo, yung pera mo, yung runway mo is nasa 300,000 pesos. So, you have 3 months. Dapat, within 3 months, dapat kikita ka na dyan. Pag hindi ka kumita, bankrupt ka. So, parang ganun. So, here's the, cancel na natin yan. So, nga pala, sinabi ko, Bitcoin ETF. Yan yung, kung naririnig nyo yung Bitcoin ETF, what is ETF really is an exchange-traded fund. So, ang mangyayari dyan, guys, yung Bitcoin, pinaprocess na siya. BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, and other huge company sa USA, pinaprocess na siya. Na gagawin dyan, kasi ngayon meron tayong tinatawag na Bitcoin futures trading. So, yung futures ETF kasi, ang problema dyan is that kahit, for example, yung Grayscale or yung Fidelity, pwede niya i-trade yung Bitcoin kahit wala silang Bitcoin. So, parang papel lang. So, ang problema, walang demand, real demand na mangyayari kasi pag yung mga tao na nagtitrade doon, hindi nila kailangan na meron talaga silang Bitcoin. Paper trading lang, parang ganun. So, pag naging spot ETF na yung Bitcoin, kailangan na nila ng real Bitcoin kasi i-audit sila ng institute sa US kung meron ba talaga silang coins. So, meaning, yung BlackRock, yung Grayscale, yung Fidelity, and the company na owned by Cathy Wood, I forgot the name of the company, they're going to buy Bitcoin, real Bitcoin, para i-trade nila sa market. So, yung mga institution, big companies, pwede nilang gamitin yung Bitcoin as a hedge, not only for trading, as a hedge for inflation. So, lalakas yung demand. So, it's one of the best catalyst for the next bull run, in my own opinion. And most people who's studying macro economy or macroeconomics, yun din yung sasabihin sa inyo. So, yun. Just to explain, okay, I'll just explain why, this is the main reason why wala akong trades for a year. Hindi kasi wala kang trade doesn't mean you lose yung yung edge mo sa market. No. You just know what's happening in the global market. Kaya wala kang trade kasi alam mo na delikado and yung win rate mo in that time low talaga. Kasi na-explain ko na kung bakit. But then this time, in this chart, I'll explain to you. This blue line here, that's the inflation rate or the CPI, and this black line in here or the wave is Federal Reserve interest rate. So kung makikita nyo guys, on May to 2020, that's during pandemic, almost zero yung interest rate ng US okay, ng Federal Reserve. So, ang nangyayari, pag zero yung interest rate, umuutang yung mga large companies, not only large companies, even the people sa household, for example, sa housing loans nila, ganun, kasi zero yung interest rate. Pag zero yung interest rate, ang nangyayari niyan, maraming utang. Pag maraming uutang, meaning, tataas naman yung ano doon, ang supply ng US dollars. Pag tumaas yung supply, ang magiging problema niyan, kasi tataas yung supply, naging worthless yung currency. Pag naging worthless yung currency, tataas naman yung mga bilihin. So, yun yung nangyari. Since almost zero siya from here, from May 2020 hanggang March 2022, tingnan nyo yung interest, ano niya, yung CPI data, ang CPI niya, tumaas siya ng tumaas, yung inflation niya, tumaas ng tumaas. At peak, naging 9.1% yung inflation niya. So, pag mataas na naman yung bilihin, gagawin na naman ng Federal Reserve ngayon is patataasin naman nila yung interest rate para wala ng utang. Pag wala na namang utang, lulubog yung ekonomiya, magre-restart siya. But at the same time, bababa din yung mga bilihin. So, parang ganun yan. I-restart mo lang yung economy. So, parang ika-crush mo yung economy to save the economy. So in this month, May 2022, kikita mo naman, pinataas nila yung interest rate. Yun, pinataas, pinataas. So, at the same time, bumaba naman yung inflation rate. Yun, hanggang nag-cross siya dito, May 2023. So, yung nag-cross siya, bumaba yung inflation rate, pinataas pa rin yung Federal Reserve interest rate hanggang 5.33% na yung interest rate. So, I think it's 6 at the moment. It's not updated. Yeah, September, yeah, it's around 6 na yata ngayon. And then, the inflation rate, bumagsak yung inflation rate. So, that time, marami naman bumili ng mga stocks or mga cryptocurrencies kasi bumaba na yung inflation rate. So, parang ganun lang yan. Ang target ng Federal Reserve is around 2% inflation rate. So, nag-halt sila, binaba nila yung, nag-push sila ng Federal Reserve interest rate, hihintay nila na bumaba yung inflation rate up to 2%, and then, pag bumaba yan, alam niyo yung gagawin ng Federal Reserve? Pabababaan naman nila yung interest rate. Magpiprint naman sila ng pera, tatas naman yung inflation rate. Parang cycle lang yan. So, if you understand macroeconomics, there's huge chance or possibility na i-apply mo ito sa either cryptocurrency or stock market, you'll be successful. So, yun. Napahaba yata yung explanation ko doon, but it's okay. So, here, what's happening here? So, it's October 14. So, ito na yun guys, kasi it's like a month ago. I posted this, and yung napansin ko lang na marami talagang mga tao na gusto mag-trade kasi since I stopped trading, I stopped doing chart analysis, ganun, humina yung engagement ng page ko, and then it's okay kasi I'm not for the money. Okay? So, other pages, meron siguro nagtitrade pa rin, gumagawa ng signal, ganun. But then the problem is, they're losing money. Mostly ng followers nila. So, I choose not to trade. I just doing what I can do best sa macro economy. So, last month, I posted, hello, it's been a while. Okay? April pa yung last post natin regarding this. Here's my Bitcoin chart on 1 week time frame. My altcoin bag is ready. So, I said, my altcoin bag is ready. I already have enough ILV, ADA, and all the coins that I was accumulating this time. Now, I'm accumulating BTC on this level before the next halving. Okay, so this is the time I accumulated all my BTC. Alright? So, the price this time is around 27,000. So, now, the price of Bitcoin right now is already 36,000. So, we're up 29%. So, since I posted that. Kasi nga, okay na ako sa alts, yung bag ko sa alts. I have enough of ETH, ADA, Illuvium, Minswap coins. So, this time, I choose to buy Bitcoin. Why? Ganito yun, guys. If you're going to make a portfolio, in a cycle or waiting for a next cycle, it is very important na meron kang tinatawag na hedge. What is the best hedge sa cryptocurrency? It's Bitcoin. So for example, you have 20% because this time I bought like 20% of all my allocation in my portfolio into Bitcoin. So what will happen, guys, is 20% Bitcoin, and then the rest of the coins, layer ones, layer two, whatever coins you choose to buy, 80% of your portfolio go to zero. Okay, that is not gonna happen. But what if there's a chance, a very small chance, if you're going to play it safe, and I don't want to lose money, if you have Bitcoin, other coins go to zero. The the Security Exchange Commission declared not war, but declared all the altcoins as security. There's a chance it's not going to zero, but it's going to like 50% low, whatever. Bit so you have 20% Bitcoin. Bitcoin is already considered as commodity in US market. So, for example, you have 100 pesos invested in cryptocurrency, 80 pesos altcoins, 20% Bitcoin. So 80 pesos down, you have the Bitcoin, and Bitcoin highly likely magkakat 5 to 6x yung Bitcoin in the next bull run. So for example, 20 pesos times 5, that's 100 pesos. So kahit mag-down yung ibang coins mo, if you have Bitcoin, you're not gonna lose money. So this is the reason why this time I bought Bitcoin at this time. So this time, 20% ng portfolio ko is Bitcoin, and then the rest altcoins. So it was 27,000 that time. So ginamit ko ditong indicator, guys, is Ichimoku Cloud, alright? And then I was using 21 days moving average on 1 week time frame. So you already knew I'm a fan of Ichimoku Cloud. It's a really nice strategy in trading, but not only in trading, but to finding us a good entry point in a time frame like 1 week, month, or even a day. So ito yung nangyari. This is your support, and then if you take a look at it, that is the cloud turning green, and from the bottom 16,000 umakyat siya. Dapat sana na bumili ka na dito, but then you have to wait for the cloud na masurpass mo yung cloud. Kasi yung cloud na yan, guys, yan yung strongest resistance in this chart. So yung na-cross na niya, naka-decide ako na I'll gonna buy now. So that's the reason why for Bitcoin. So hindi man natin na-hit yung bottom ng Bitcoin, at least na-hit natin yung bottom ng ILV. And ILV constitutes all about, like this time, 40% of all my crypto that time. So I said this, yeah, importante din yung USA presidential election next year, November. And that's the reason why, kasi during election, parang rin sa Pinas, malakas yung spending. So, duda ko, in this time of the year, bababaan na naman ng Federal Reserve yung interest rate para yung meron na namang spending during election. Kasi ganyan din yung nangyayari sa Pinas. Pag may election, may mga projects, ganun-ganun. So, isa din yun sa mga catalyst for the coming bull run. So, maliit lang upside ni BTC, pero it's a safest bet. Yun yung sinabi ko. So, I'm using as a hedge probably 20 to 30% allocation for my portfolio is good. My target price is 160K BTC by peak year 2025. I said 160, but what was on my mind is around 200,000 actually. But then, it's a very conservative target. Other alts I'm holding is ADA, ILV, Min on my watch list, AR, OP, ARB, Naka, GFAL. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. So this time, as what you observe, I keep on changing my portfolio. So if you're following me, I might going to do a weekly update regarding my portfolio para masabayan nyo ako, but not a financial advice. But then, surely, na hindi ko ibibenta yung Bitcoin and Illuvium, ADA, and ETH ko. So, other alts, I might buy and sell, things like that. But then, yung ILV ko, hindi ko talaga siya ibibenta. So, tapos na tayo dyan. So, balik tayo dito sa portfolio ko. So, I'm going to show you now my wallet. So, that's a tracker. So, ina-track ko lahat ng coin. Bakit meron akong tracker? Kasi napaka-importante ng tracker to track all your coins. Kasi for me, for example, meron akong MetaMask wallet, meron akong Trezor wallet, meron akong Binance account, meron akong Mixi account. So, I have a lot of wallets kasi not all the coins that I want to buy is on Binance. So, kailangan mo rin ng ibang centralized exchange na platform para magamit mo to buy other coins. So, if for example, you want to stake few coins yourself, okay? So, you need to buy on Binance, then send it to your Trezor wallet and things like that. So, for example, just to show you na this this portfolio is not fake, I'm going to show the real wallet. So, for example, for ILV, here's my ILV. I bought most of my LV at around $40. Now it's 82. So, it's like 100% gain from there. Almost. So, I'll show you my LV. There's like, what's this? How many? Why is it not here? Okay. Here's my holdings, 310 ILV, worth 24,500 US dollars. So, here's my ILV. I'm staking my ILV dito sa website ng Illuvium. So, that's 304. But then, I also have a reward. So, that's 11 ILV, 11.2. So, my reward is almost 1,000. So, there's also, that's reward for staking. But then, you also have reward for revenue distribution. So, what I like about Illuvium is, for example, they launch the game, and then during bull run, siyempre, mayroong hype dyan, maraming players maglaro. It's a very nice AAA game. Tatlo yung game nila. And all the revenue in the game, they're going to send it or give it as a reward to the stakers. So, baka sabihin mo, pag revenue, that's 100% revenue distribution. First, sabi ko, pag 100% revenue distribution, paano mangyayari? Paano magde-develop yung game for the next year kung lahat ng profit is ibibigay nila sa mga stakers, sa mga mayroong coins na LV? Kasi yun pala yung the company or the developer itself, meron tayong tinatawag na treasury sa DAO. So, it's a decentralized autonomous organization. Yan yung DAO, ILV DAO. So, yung DAO may treasury. Kasi, so yung treasury, meron sila, they hold almost like 10 to 15% of the ILV available in the market. Meaning to say, yung company, they're also gaining money for staking their ILV. So, it's a win-win for the players and for the stakers and also for the company. So, magkakaroon din sila ng revenue yung company kasi meron din silang coin. So, that's 100% revenue distribution. They have enough money to develop the game. 16 months pa yung runway nila, and it's one of the best team na kasi in a sense na kahit nagde-delayed yung game, transparent sila for the reasons why, and then transparent din sila in terms sa runway. Yung ibang crypto company dyan, hindi mo alam kung they really have enough money kasi yung treasury wallet nila hindi available in the public. So, Illuvium, they are open, they're very transparent, and then they announced yesterday that they have partnership with Epic Games, and then the PvP arena game is going to launch sa Epic Games, and because of that, the Illuvium primes went up. So, right now, I have around 304 plus 11, I have 315, so I need to update my portfolio. So, just to prove you guys na I have the money, I have the coin, and I'm not just preaching this and then let you buy the coin and me not buying it like some sort of fake guru around there. No, I'm doing it. I'm executing this one, and I'm planning to hold this until the next bull run. Target price ko nito is around 800 USD. That's 17x, around 15x from now. And then I'll gonna sell around that range, maybe 30%. And then 3,000 range, I'm gonna sell around 30%. And then maybe I keep the remaining and see when the BTC what BTC can bring us. Kasi nakadepende lang yan sa Bitcoin. kung ano yung magiging prices ng mga altcoins ninyo. Pag tumaas na tumaas yung Bitcoin, nag-staggered yung Bitcoin, magkakaroon ng altcoin season, tataas yung mga alts, and then tataas naman yung Bitcoin, bababa yung alts, and then pag babagsak yung Bitcoin, sabayan. Kasi Bitcoin yung basihan natin para siyang US dollars in fiat world. So, first, that's our ILV. We have 24,000, around 25,000. Next, we have Cardano. So, Cardano is a bit complicated, guys, kasi yung Cardano ko, it's not in Binance. It's actually more of like Degen Play. So, lahat ng Cardano ko is in NFT. So, if you're going to check my wallet, here's my wallet. I have Space Buds, Claymates, I have horses. It's like shitty play, but I know that when bull market come back to play, and then all this NFT, all the new degens will going to buy into NFT kasi nakaka-relate sila yun sa coin kasi para wala kang makikita Bitcoin lang yan. But yung mga new investors ngayon, yung mga tawag na nga generative play, they're more interested into pictures and games and things like that. So I bought Space Bus, that's the first 10,000 collection in Cardano, and I also bought Clay Nation. So Space Buds is like the CryptoPunks of Ethereum. So they're the first 10,000 collection, and then we also have yeah, Claymates and things like that. So in this portfolio, if you wanna buy, not a financial advice, this kind of this kind of investment is not actually investment, but it's more of like risk play. I just having fun, but at the same time, I know it's gonna go up. I know, not a financial advice. If you wanna buy, and if they go to GPG store, GPG store, and search for Space Buds and Claim It. So marami pa akong mga NFT kasi ang dami kong wallet, but then I'll just show you the main NFT na nasa Trezor wallet ko. If you're going to check my Nami wallet, so lahat yan NFT. Tingnan mo naman, 11 ADA na lang yung nasa wallet ko. Most of them are NFT. So I have this type of wallets in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 wallets and meron yung mga NFT. I'm not gonna show you kasi napakarami. So that estimated around 20,000 ADA, all NFT. So worth 7,000 US dollar. That's crazy play. I just bullish with NFT in Cardano. So next is Bitcoin. So as what I told you, I bought some Bitcoin, and my Bitcoin is actually in my Trezor wallet. So that's my Bitcoin right now. Right? I'm just proving it to you that I have these coins. Now, if you want to follow this trade, it's okay, but do your own research pa rin. Kasi hindi ito financial advice. I'm just showing you what I'm doing, and if you want to follow what I'm doing, then it's okay. So I have Ethereum. I have 2 ETH, and my Ethereum then is also a freaking NFTs. So it's a really crazy play. So not a financial advice. I have Illuvium NFTs, I Illuvium land, and I also have Guild of Guardians. So that's my Guild of Guardians. I'll show you my account. Heroes. I have heroes, I have pets, and tokens, guild tokens and things. Napakatagal niyang mag-load. Yun, my account. Ba't hindi lumalabas yung mga ano ko? Ito yung wallet ko, guys. Oh my. Tagal. Loading. Yan yung wallet ko. Hindi mo makita yan, mga ano ko. Yan yung mga NFT ko sa sa Guild of Guardians. So I'm bullish with Guild of Guardians. It's under Immutable X. They're published by Immutable X. So alam naman natin yung Immutable X. It's one of the platform, NFT platform, layer 2 in Ethereum. So it's zero gas fee pag nagtitrade ka dito. So I'm not gonna show you more NFT. Baka magbubili din kayo. Don't buy NFT. Just if you don't have enough money, just buy coins with huge potential. Yung sinabi ko. No NFT. Please. So Pepe. I bought Pepe. It's a degenerative play. But It's a shit coin. It's a meme coin, guys. Why I bought Pepe? Kasi napakalaking potential ng Pepe. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, yun yung mga nasa top 20 meme coins right now. I bought billion Pepe and it is up 53%. So I'll show you my Pepe account, Algorand, Chainlink, Hedera, Quant, Arweave. So I'll show you. It's on Binance. So andyan, 24% Algo, Link, andyan yung 9% yung Pepe, HBAR. So regarding those coins, if you want to buy them, just go to CoinGecko, then find information in the tab information, and then you can see the Twitter account and then the website. Check nyo doon, makikita nyo yung what's the coin all about. All right, so I'm not going to explain here, it's video is already long enough. So that's my Binance account. I'm up 1,164, it's 14%. So makikita mo dito, yeah, so it's up. What else is on my portfolio? Dera Quant, Arwave. It's one of the best coins. So, and the thing, guys, is I only accumulated these coins when I accumulated BTC. So it's not like I was doing this DCA for the past year. Only ILV yung binibili ko that time for a year. So right now I just buying this in the last month. So you're still early. You're still early in the game. So meron tayong Samoid coin. So it's another meme coin in Solana ecosystem. So the thing, guys, is there's a war between Cardano holders and Solana. So ang nangyayari kasi, not a war, but makukumpara mo kasi yung dalawa. Ang ayaw ko though, yung mga Solana people, ayaw nila sa Cardano kasi slow yung development nila. Right? Kasi it's peer-to-peer. Slow but surely. Yung, Solana, it's not that they're rushing it, but then there's a lot of bugs. Kasi previous bull run, pag nagkakaroon ng problema yung napakarami yung transaction, ina-attack sila ng bots. So pag in-attack yung blockchain nila, nagre-reset sila. So ayaw ko ng Solana talaga. I don't hate it, but I don't like it. But I know there's a huge potential for Solana and I can't buy it kasi it's against my principle. So what I did is I buy the Solana stop meme coin instead. So I bought Samoid coin. It's not much. It's around 200. I'm up 5%. I have Bitrock. Bitrock is also good coin. I bought it dito na account, sa Mexico na account. So anyan. Just to prove that I have these coins. This portfolio is only it's in for the last 30 days. It's 43. It's up 43 USDT or 8%. Not bad. So yun yung mga maliliit ko na coins. It's more of Degen play pa rin. Tingnan mo naman, $83 lang, 140. So the rest, it's like 1,000 yung nasa Binance. Kasi mostly ng mga maliliit na market cap na coins, malaki yung potential nila. Kaya nila mag 50 to 100x. Pwede din maging zero. So wala sila sa Binance. Pag na-list sila sa Binance, tataas na tataas yung price. So it's more of very risky play din. Kaya hindi mo siya makikita sa Binance, nasa Mixi lang sila. Kaya nag-open din ako ng account sa Mixi. So, ganun. So, maybe in next video, I'm going to explain why I bought these coins. But then for now, enough lang muna. Yun lang muna, update sa portfolio. So, yun, tandaan nyo lang, in this, for the next bull run, if you want to, not to lose, at least buy Bitcoin. 20% Bitcoin. If you're going to check naman, 20% yan, nung binili ko, yung Bitcoin. Overall. Ngayon, tingnan nyo, yung Bitcoin ko is nasa 14.3% na lang. Why? Because my ILV bag is pumping from 40% to 50% kasi malaki yung gain ko sa ILV, almost 100%. So, during bull run, bababa yung percentage ng Bitcoin, but it's a safer bet pa rin. So, ganun. ILV andyan. So, wala na yata. So, overall, we're gaining 55% in this portfolio. But remember na I just started accumulating most of my coins in this portfolio just last month. Okay, but ILV, it's been like freaking year since I accumulating this coin. I'm already up 88.9%. So ILV alone, I gained like 11,000 US dollars. And this portfolio is about a million pesos, or 17,243 US dollars. So if you like this type of video, guys, I'm going to keep on updating my portfolio, maybe every week. Then from time to time, I might going to find a coin or certain coin na pwede natin pag-aralan, then ipopost natin dito sa YouTube channel natin. It's up to you if you wanna buy it or not. But, you know, just remember na in the next bull run, at this point of a time, you don't need to really day trade. Most position traders, I call it position traders because I'm not an investor. I don't consider myself investor. I'm going to sell everything in the next bull run. Position trading, guys, is like you're accumulating at a certain point, and then after a certain narrative, after a peak or something, you sell it at top. So I think most position traders will outperform day traders in a 2 year span. So you don't need to trade the market, you don't need to do anything. Just DCA at this time before the next halving, and you'll be fine. Alright? So see you in my next video. God bless and bye.